What if the world was ending, and only you had the instructions to survive? Imagine yourself standing in the chill of a moonlit night, facing a pit so deep you can't see the bottom. Suddenly, the heavy stone lid scrapes open. You're Daniel, innocent but accused. The crowd's faces flicker with fear, rage, regret. You're pushed in, landing hard. All around you, lions' eyes gleam in the shadows. Their roars echo off the stone. But your heart? It's steady. You remember the king's words from Daniel 6:16. May your God, whom you serve continually, rescue you. As the night stretches on, something miraculous happens. The lions, majestic and powerful, circle you. But then, one by one, they lie down at your side. An invisible force, God's angel, holds them back. Daniel 6:22. My God sent his angel, and he shut the mouths of the lions. They have not hurt me because I was found innocent in his sight. Above, the king can't sleep. He waits, pacing, praying that you survive. At dawn, he races to the pit. His voice cracks with hope. Daniel, servant of the living God, has your God been able to rescue you from the lions? You answer, voice calm and unwavering. My God sent his angel. The stone is rolled away. Light pours in, golden, triumphant. You step out, untouched, faith shining brighter than the morning sun. The crowd erupts in awe and celebration. This is more than a story. It's a promise. When fear surrounds you, faith is your greatest shield. Even in the darkest moments, you are never alone. Daniel's night in the lion's den reminds me, faith over fear, always.